7 reasons for frequent sneezing in cats. Frequent cat sneezing may indicate many things, some of which can be dangerous and others are simple and not cause for concern. But in all cases, you should pay attention to anything abnormal that happens with your cat, no matter how small and simple, because cats are sensitive creatures and can suffer from many diseases without to learn it. Below, we will mention to you the most dangerous and simple reasons that cause cats to sneeze. 1. Simple fatigue. Fatigue may be an obvious cause of frequent sneezing in cats, and this fatigue causes some fatigue in the nose, which makes it run a lot after sneezing, and this fatigue usually occurs due to the entry of a little dust or a mild chemical into the nose, causing this runny and fatigue, and this may accompany some itching. 2. Respiratory infections. Another common cause of frequent sneezing in cats is the presence of respiratory infections, often a viral infection, as our feline friends can also catch colds just like humans. 3. Nasal infections. Bacterial infections such as mycoplasma can occur, which cause sinus diseases, and this damages the respiratory system and makes cats cough and sneeze frequently. The common symptoms of these infections are excessive tears or accumulated secretions in the cat's eye. 4. The presence of foreign bodies in the nose. Small foreign bodies can enter the cat's nose and cause some disturbance to it, which leads to frequent sneezing, and if these foreign bodies are not removed quickly, irritation and inflammation of the nose can occur. 5. Dental diseases. Dental diseases can cause sneezing in cats, especially if they suffer from infections in their large, prominent teeth. These infections will cause bacteria to accumulate in the sinuses, resulting in itching and sneezing, and this must be treated quickly. 6. Allergies. Cats can also be allergic to certain things just like humans, and pollen allergy is one of the most common causes of cat sneezing. 7. Nasal vaccinations. Vaccines that fight respiratory infections often cause sneezing for a few days, and sneezing in this case lasts only a few days and goes away on its own, and does not need treatment, because it is an expected side effect of what some nasal vaccines do.